Hi, I'm Shweta from Xplorabox. Let's see what exciting activities we've lined up for your child in this month's box.
This month's theme is Junior Doctor. There are 5 amazing activities in the box. Hospital Fun, Brush My Teeth, Crazy Chef, Where's the Tube, and Educational Activity Mats. The first activity is Hospital Fun. In this fun model building activity, your child will build their own hospital with various departments like maternity ward, emergency ward, and place different objects there and learn about them. This activity will improve their motor skills, academic skills, and they will not be scared of hospitals anymore. Second activity is Brush My Teeth. In this activity, your child will assemble a jaw with different teeth, learn about them, and then clean them using real brush and toothpaste. This activity will improve their motor skills, cognitive skills, and academic skills. The third activity is Crazy Chef. In this fun activity, your child will compete to prepare an amazing healthy dish using the ingredients and utensil cards provided and have lots of fun. This activity will improve their motor skills, observation skills, and social skills. Fourth activity is Where's the Tool? In this wooden-based activity, your child will play an exciting memory game using the various doctor tools provided and aim to be the best doctor in the hospital. This activity will improve their critical thinking skills and memory skills. The fifth activity is Educational Activity Mats. These are write and wipe activity mats with 8 engaging activities that will keep your child engaged for a long time. This activity will improve their fine motor skills, cognitive skills, and academic skills.
You will also receive 20 downloadable worksheets via mail every month. If you have not taken an Xplorabox subscription, then take it now and give your child a gift of fun and learning that will make them smarter and sharper.